Good morning, guys. Yes, at the sea now, you know, with the hurricane and everything. It's coming, guys, you know. Now we look at the sea now, guys. Tell me now. Tell me now that hurricane is not coming now, guys. This is the real hurricane. So Hurricane Melissa is finally struck in Jamaica, guys. You know, the wind is picking up. But look at the rough sea. Look at the skies, you know, right here now. Yeah, man, look at that. You know, everything coming in now, guys. You know, so finally the real hurricane is coming, guys. You know, we are right up there now. We are now hitting the boundary now, guys. There's no more this clear sky, no more blue sky. This is the real hurricane. Melissa is finally struck in Jamaica, guys. You know, get ready for Hurricane Melissa here in Jamaica. Yes, man. I've got D-Mac over there in this port.
Yeah, man.
Hey, getting ready for this hurricane, yeah?
Yeah.
Yes, man. Hurricane Melissa.
Come in.
Come in, man. You know, female. Yes, it's a female. Yes, man. Hurricane Melissa is coming, guys. She's really rough. So let me walk around this side.
Yeah, man, heart of love, brother. Why everybody feel just keep safe?
Yes.
It's serious.
Yes.
As you can see out there, so it's serious.
It's serious.
So don't have it up.
And get in.
Enough love and respect, brother.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Shout out to YouTube
Take
channel.
care, yeah?
Send Thomas Events Media, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Alright, bless up on yourself.
All right.
It's a roughness of the sea, man. Wow, man. Jeez, wow, what a splashing. All of the sea, everything will just start all mountain in the road and all that, you know? Push the water, man. Look at that, you know? The proper push it, man. No more clear sky, you know?
No more clear sky.
Yes, man. This is the last warning.
Last one, yeah.
Yes, the last warning now for Hurricane Melissa. Yeah, man. You walk along here too, you know? This is the roughness of the sea, guys. So see, this is the update now, guys. So remember, guys, you know, this is your last warning. As Hurricane Melissa is ready to strike now, guys. My hat is already blow off my head. Can't wear it anymore now, guys, because the wind is picking up now. This is your last minute warning, guys. Hurricane Melissa is finally coming here in Jamaica, guys. Wind and everything is starting to pick up now, guys. The sea is getting rough. So now the strong wind is coming, guys. You know, it is coming your way, guys. Get ready for Hurricane Melissa. Yes, guys. The wind is starting to kick in slowly, guys, you know. The sea is getting rough, guys. Look at that. The sea is mounting up now. Look at that now, guys. But now is not the time to say you're going into sea now. So, you know the wind is across the sea already, guys. So that's starting to pick up. Does anybody want to say they're going to do swimming? This is not a good time for this now, guys. This is really serious. Let me walk up along here and show you something as well, you know? And the sea and everything is literally mounting up. Yes, literally mounting up here now, guys, you know? Everything is really bad now. So I'm gonna walk along that way. But the wave is really boxing, guys. Wow. 100. Technical living. Look at this part of the sea, guys. Wow, look at this spot, guys. It's getting so rough here. Wow, water is boxing up and everything, guys. I need to be very careful, guys. And this is the time, guys, where you can get boxed up, water boxed up on you and everything. Beautiful girl. Wow, gee, wow, you got to be careful, guys, you see. Wow, that water kind of got me in the face. It's a good thing I got my raincoat on. Let's show you over this side, guys. It boxes, even over this side as well, guys. It's really, really boxing up as well. It's really, really boxing up, really, really heavy. I have to be really loud in the camera, guys, because the wind is really strong. But remember, once and again, guys, this is your last minute warning for Hurricane Melissa. Wow. Look at that, guys. You see over there is even more darker now. Wow. This is all about the sea now. This is all about the sea now. See something, guys, you see? Over that side is where the water is boxing up a lot. Look at that. Wow. Shoo. I need to get back to the car now. But I'll keep you guys up to date, you know. I'm still going to keep you up to date with this hurricane, guys. Yes, it's really, really coming, guys, you know. So remember, you know, that this is your last 1 minute, guys. Your last warning. Your 1 minute warning starts, guys. And later on, guys, it's going to be no more of me out here, guys. This will be me at my house showing you from outside, guys, because it's going to be really, really rough when it comes, guys, you know. This Hurricane Melissa is not going to be a joke, you know. It's going to be rough. Yes, man. Everyone hailing me up there. Yes, man. So yes, you see people already beeping me and everything, because they all can see that I'm here broadcasting. And a welcome to the Hurricane Melissa news there, guys. and Jamaican world travel. So keep you guys up to date. I'll show you a little bit more, guys, before I come out. There is some more roughness of the sea I need to show you guys. The sea is getting really rougher and rougher each time. Yes, guys, along this way. What a rough sea. Everything with the sea is so rough. Really rough. Everything running over there the same way, you know. Yes, a lot of people are coming to do their little video. Right, guys, the rain is coming. The rain is coming. Now it's starting to kick in now, guys. This is where it starts. Hurricane Melissa is starting here now, guys. Yeah. Let's put my hoodie on. Right, time to put my hoodie on, guys. You know, finally it's mountaining, guys. Look, the sea's even getting rougher. Rougher and rougher and rougher each day. Rougher and rougher. Look over there as well, guys. You see by the mountain now, guys. Yes, so I'm starting to get serious, eh?
Just leaving Roselle now, going back into Yalas.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man. Getting serious now.
Yes, man. Getting so serious now, guys. Just look at that. The rain and everything is over there. I don't think you can even see the sea anymore, guys, you know?
That man.
That is serious, man, yeah?
Serious, yeah.
Can't believe we have so much rain already and the hurricane has even started, just on its way, you know?
Just on its way.
This is just on its way, yeah. So this is our warning.
From
Last warning.
last warning. Last warning.
Yes.
Bunker down time now.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man. Road is empty.
Yes, man, empty. Everybody indoors.
Yeah. very careful when you're driving on the road like at this time, you know.
Yes, the road is wet, you know, and you're going around bendings, so you got to be very careful.
So we are in White Horses.
Yes. We are coming on. We are coming on to Pomfret.
Oh.
Yes. So we're just coming off White Horses, guys, coming into Pomfret.
Look at the sea over there, man.
See, rough.
It's rolling.
Yes. Rough sea, eh?
waiting for somebody to break down.
Yes, there. Yes, Melissa want to break down somebody, you know. so we're finally in Yalas. And thank you so much for watching, guys. So I'm going to keep you up to date with the Hurricane Melissa that's coming here in Jamaica, guys. Look out for more, guys. This is the last warning for Melissa. So don't forget to always subscribe and share this video, and also to go and check out the DMAC 4K World Tour. Thank you so much, guys. It's linked to the down in the description. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Signing out from Jamaica, here in Yalas. Simple province life with Ate, you know, right here chopping the boko here still, guys. You can see she got her Philippine style, she got her relaxed back style. Juicy right, guys, you know, it's really a good price, you know. So come here to Marrakesh, guys. The square market is beautiful, guys. Oh, look at the size of them, you know? Yeah, look at the color. We got such amazing color in it. Look at that. Oh, Ate Maserati. Discover in the Philippines. This is a foreign American, 5 Filipinos.
What a ham! Rocket's video is very nice.
Yes, but a lot of people are crazy about me in Morocco. You know, they're so amazed about my height here in Philippines, guys, you know. So I'm very famous in this country.